Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P2120-16 arises when there is an issue with the Accelerator Pedal Position APP Sensor A or the Throttle Position TP Sensor D circuit. The APP sensor is integral to the accelerator pedal module, which translates the position of the accelerator pedal into a corresponding voltage signal. This signal is received by the powertrain control module, PCM, which uses it to adjust engine power and performance accordingly. If the voltage output from the APP-A sensor falls below a specified value, specifically below 0.2 volts, the PCM records this as a fault. Subsequently, this DTC is triggered for further investigation. Affected locations include the accelerator pedal assembly and the PCM, both of which play critical roles in vehicle operation and responsiveness. The Accelerator Pedal Position APP Sensor A is crucial for monitoring the position of the accelerator pedal. When this sensor is integrated with the accelerator pedal module, it detects the angle or displacement of the pedal as the driver accelerates or decelerates. If the APP sensor fails to provide a proper voltage signal, the vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, will not receive accurate feedback, resulting in performance inconsistencies. Typically, this sensor is located within the accelerator pedal module, which is situated at the driver's footwell. The APP sensor must function within specific voltage ranges, and a low voltage reading indicates potential electrical faults, leading to the triggering of DTC P2120-16-P2122. Several potential issues may trigger DTC P2120-16, P2122. First, a malfunctioning accelerator pedal position APP sensor A can produce a circuit low voltage signal, indicating that the sensor may be failing. Additionally, problems may arise in the external circuit connecting the APP sensor to the powertrain control module, PCM. This includes wiring or connections that may be damaged or exhibit faults, affecting the overall voltage output. Finally, if the inspection of both the APP sensor and the external circuit shows normal findings, the PCM itself may be at fault. Technicians must verify each component systematically to isolate the root cause of the problem. When DTC P2120-16 and P2122 is active, drivers might experience various symptoms. One primary symptom includes a lack of engine power, where the vehicle does not respond effectively to pedal input. This unresponsiveness can be dangerous, as it may significantly hinder acceleration. Additionally, the vehicle may exhibit issues with engine performance, including stalling or delayed response during acceleration. Moreover, the check engine light will likely illuminate on the dashboard, serving as an alert to the driver about potential vehicle issues. It is important to treat these symptoms seriously, as they directly impact vehicle safety and performance. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2120-16, P2122 involves turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This step is crucial as it powers the vehicle's systems and allows technicians to access the necessary diagnostic information. Using a diagnostic tool, the app sensor A voltage should be checked. If the reading is less than 0.2 volts, it indicates a duplicated failure and confirms the fault in the app sensor or associated circuitry. This early stage in troubleshooting helps narrow down the focus to the sensor or connections, guiding further inspection procedures for resolution. The second troubleshooting step involves disconnecting the APP sensor connector, which typically has a 6-pin configuration. This disconnection is essential to isolate the sensor and conduct further tests safely. After disconnection, A jumper wire should be used to bridge terminals 4 and 6 of the APP sensor connector. This action simulates a normal operating condition for the sensor. Next, the vehicle should be turned to the on mode again, allowing the technician to verify the APP sensor A voltage reading. A normal condition should show a voltage greater than 0.2 volts. If this occurs, it strongly indicates that the accelerator pedal module is defective and needs replacement. In the third troubleshooting step, the next phase is to disconnect the powertrain control module (PCM) connector, ensuring it does not interfere with ongoing tests. It's important to perform these checks after ensuring the APP sensor is disconnected. The VCC1 circuit, which is responsible for supplying power to the APP sensor, should then be inspected. During this phase, technicians need to measure the resistance in the circuit. Normal conditions dictate that air should be less than 1 ohm of resistance detected. If the resistance measurement is significantly higher, this indicates an open wire or a fault within the circuit that requires addressing, which could lead to low voltage readings. As we continue troubleshooting DTC P2120-16, P2122, the focus shifts to inspecting the APS1 circuit. This circuit is vital as it conveys the APP sensor signal to the PCM. Similar to the previous steps, the PCM connector must remain disconnected during this inspection to avoid interference. Technicians will check the open wire condition of the APS1 circuit, which should also maintain a standard resistance reading of less than 1 ohm. However, for the APS1 circuit, technicians should also confirm insulation levels. A successful inspection would reveal insulation exceeding 1 teramegaohm. Lower readings indicate a short circuit or fault condition that could lead to erroneous voltage signals affecting vehicle performance. The final troubleshooting step pertains to the powertrain control module, PCM, itself. If all prior checks, such as the APP sensor and the VCC1 and APS1 circuits, return normal results, yet the DTC persists, the PCM is likely at fault. The PCM is the brain of the vehicle's engine management system and responds to various sensor inputs to optimize performance. A defective PCM can lead to incorrect readings, leading to DTCs like P2122-16/P2122. In this case, technicians should replace the PCM to restore proper communication and functionality within the engine control system for the vehicle. After completing repairs for DTC P2120-16, P2122, verifying that the issue has been resolved is crucial. Begin by clearing any existing diagnostic trouble codes from the PCM. This process allows the system to reset and prepare to monitor for new inputs accurately. Following the clearance, conduct a test drive to ensure that the vehicle operates correctly under normal driving conditions. The technician should specifically check that the accelerator pedal position, APP, sensor functions without issues, ensuring smooth acceleration and responsiveness. A successful test drive without any DTCs reappearing indicates that the repair efforts were effective and the vehicle is now restored to proper working order. Preventive maintenance is vital in ensuring that issues like DTC P2120-16, P2122 do not recur. Regular inspections of the accelerator pedal position, APP sensor, and associated electrical connections are essential to detect potential problems preemptively. It is recommended to clean any electrical connectors regularly to remove dirt and corrosion that might impede proper signal transmission. Additionally, Vehicle owners should stay vigilant about monitoring dashboard warning lights, especially the check engine light, as early detection may prevent extensive repairs. These practices not only enhance sensor performance, but also contribute to overall vehicle reliability and safety. In summary, troubleshooting DTC P2120-16-P2122 requires a methodical approach to identify faulty components effectively. By systematically testing the accelerator pedal position, APP sensor, associated circuits, and the powertrain control module, PCM, technicians can pinpoint the root cause of the issue. Each troubleshooting step builds upon the findings of the previous one, highlighting the importance of a thorough diagnostic process. Incorporating preventive checks into routine maintenance can safeguard against potential issues in the future. Ultimately, understanding this troubleshooting guide enables technicians to ensure vehicles operate safely and efficiently. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.